Fuel filter's right here, so it's easy enough to get to change. And I've had no issues with the anything motor-wise yet. And you know, it ain't got but 80,000 miles, so I'm figuring I can go a long time without issues.
Yeah. Oh, hello everyone, we're back at it again here. I'm about to go in and check out Jennifer and Jim's step van here, which is a beautiful step van. Wait till you see this. All right, here we go. Tell us about the chair here and how this works.
Okay, he wanted to have a seat that was my passenger seat that was more functional, so he and a friend, Johnny, came up with this, and so it will turn around and lock in place to go down the road. And
that is awesome.
Seat belt here that connects.
Safety and everything.
And then we turn it around sideways, and his driver's seat turns around, and to
have dinner
so we can
together.
eat, have a little table that goes there, and it's all on the stick shift.
That is too cool.
So when we're stopped, it usually stays like this. So.
All right.
And he's put LED lights.
Wow, and look at all the cupboards up here. Getting some use out of the front area too. Plenty of storage. Nice tile countertops, backsplash. Got a mirror there.
This is his favorite is the chair. My favorite is the butcher block. Extends
awesome.
my counter, so that gives me more room when I need it.
That's cool. Residential fridge, microwave.
Convection microwave, so
Microwave.
so I can bake in there too. That's the reason I don't have
That's cool.
a regular stove and oven. We have it's the pantry.
Huge pantry.
Garbage.
Nice.
We got the inverter, and the batteries are behind.
That's one thing none of the rigs have, is a place to put the garbage ever.
So.
I know mine doesn't. Well, we'll say the ones that are designed by real people have a garbage. The ones that are designed by computers don't.
Yes, like computers don't have garbage.
Yeah.
So I will let you go
Okay.
through there.
Step through here.
We have the commode. We were going to have a shower. Haven't done that yet, so now it's a closet. And
Huge
the beds,
bedroom area.
they'll either fold out to make a king-size bed,
That's
or
cool.
the two twins, so there's a couch and the bed made up.
Just so cool. The lighting, the ceiling. Awesome job.
The dust from the air conditioning.
Hey, we all have it.
Yeah.
You can't be in the desert without dust.
But yeah, we did. And we saw boards that we wanted for the ceiling, but because of the extra weight, we've done. Went to Lowe's and did the beadboard wallpaper and put the wallpaper up and paint it. So it's that's why we haven't trimmed it out yet.
Oh, cool.
But it's just, you can put wallpaper that looks like wood
I
to
didn't know
save
that.
weight.
I would have thought it was wood.
To save weight.
That is awesome.
So
Well done. Thank you so much for the tour.
you are most welcome.
And you can tell if this ain't a good idea. It's gonna get an upgrade next year.
Yeah. And the next part of the tour is this beautiful blue 1976 Bronco. I'll let Jim tell me about it here, or I'll get all the numbers wrong.
It's 1976. I've been had it for 20 years and worked on it for 20 years, and there's not much that hadn't been worked on. I've got a little 4BT Cummins engine in it that gets a lot of attention, and it's got a Chevrolet 700 R4 transmission in it, hooked to a Dana 20 Ford transfer case. But it's just a driver. It's not real pretty, but it does a good job. And I don't know.
And you took this on a pretty long trip too, didn't you?
Oh yeah, we went from the North Carolina coast to the coast of Oregon, then up to Washington State and over through Yellowstone back home. About 10,000 to 11,000 miles. And camped in it most of the way. And my wife flew out and drove some with me. We stayed in a motel because she don't camp, and there wasn't room in the back of it anyway. So.
In the rack and in the back, you made all that too, right?
Yeah. You do a lot of stuff when you have one of these things to get what you want. I have trouble with my lockouts in the back because they leak, and they've leaked for 20 years since I bought them from Warren. They were Warren Industry outfit they built up, and lifetime warranty, and then they discontinued them, so it is what it is.
And people probably be pretty surprised that you flat tow this.
Yeah, that was the reason for the lockouts in the rear, so we can just put it behind the camper and go. It tows real good. You don't really know what's back there except for stopping and starting, and stopping's not a problem. The starting's a little slower, but other than that, it flat tows great.
Get all your wiring hook up and everything ready to go.
Yeah, I've got all I got to do is plug into right here and then plug the lights in the back, and that's my tow lights. So I had another one that had you run the wire through the tail lights, but I didn't go that trouble on this one.
Now, remember you telling me about a friend of yours and a little dog that spent the night in a mud hole?
Oh yeah, we got stuck in a 4-acre mud field one night, and I think we were in Nevada, and so it was just flat. He called 911, and they asked him, so do you have food and water? He said, yeah. They said, well, just call us back tomorrow then. So we spent the night in a mud hole, and he called the wrecker the next day, and we paid him to drive out and drag us out and drive back. And
that's too funny. Making memories.
Definitely making memories.
Well, thank you, Jim. I appreciate it telling us everything about this Bronco. I think it's a hell of a machine. I wouldn't mind having it.